Kids, cats, and even ourselves can cause snags on the sofa. But fret not, here are 3 easy hacks to remove sofa snags and frays. 1. The felting needle hack. All you need is a needle. Keep poking at the snag until the thread gets pushed back in. What happens is the tiny notches in the needle catch onto the fibers and help pull them back into the fabric. 2. The razor hack. Just use a hair trimmer or shaver against the sofa to trim off the snags. And voila! No more frays. 3. The needle and thread hack. First, thread the needle without making a knot at the end. Once that's done, pull the threaded needle through the snag. When the thread almost reaches the end, tie a knot on the snag. Insert the needle next to the base of the snag and pull through. Trim off the excess thread on the wrong side as well as the right side of the fabric. And that's how easy it is to fix sofa snags and frays at home. Subscribe to our channel for more sofa hacks like these.